Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We are here with another video this week. Today I am going to be doing an extreme deep clean to my kitchen. My kitchen really needed it. If you have not seen me actually declutter my kitchen, that video came out last week, so make sure you go back and watch that video. But today we're going to deep clean it. It really needed a complete clean. I don't remember the last time I actually did this, so yeah, I had to jump in and make sure I got this done. So come on and come along with me as I clean my kitchen. So now I'm just getting into cleaning underneath my stove. I feel like this is very important because all kind of stuff gets underneath there. So I really just took everything out, cleaned under there, and now I'm just putting that stuff back. Yeah, this is like really vital. Be careful though, I will say that. Make sure that you like follow how you're supposed to do it on a specific stove that you have. But I just cannot take like food and stuff underneath there, so I definitely made sure that I cleaned that out. Now here I have started cleaning off the knobs to the actual stove. These can get really grimy if you don't clean them regularly. So I like to clean these after I cook every time, but I'm doing like a deep clean with these right now. And here you see I'm taking the magic eraser. I got these from Dollar Tree. They work just as well as magic erasers to me. So I got those to basically just whiten up the knobs on the kitchen and get any residue off that I wasn't able to get off with the actual sponge. So moving right along, we have now reached the inside of the oven, and I love oven cleaner because it really allows you to have a stress-free oven cleaning experience. Literally, you don't have to do all of the scrubbing and all of that when you have oven cleaner. Basically what it does is it allows you to put the oven cleaner in the oven, put the oven on for a little time, warm it up, and then it is like anything that's in the oven literally comes off so easily. So definitely try this if you haven't. I use it as a little hack because it definitely allows me to clean the oven without having to do a whole bunch of fighting with the grease that's in the oven. So definitely try this out. Read the directions before you start it and try it out. Let me know how you like it down in the comments. Now I'm cleaning off the oven racks. This is what I mean by you don't want to spend all your energy cleaning out the actual oven, because when you get to these racks, honey, you're going to be exhausted. So here I just took some Brillo pads and really got the oven racks really good, cleaned them really nicely to make sure that anything that was left on them or that I hadn't wiped off from the last time that I used them, that I can basically just get that off. And they worked really well. So definitely try this if you have anything on your oven racks. cleaning off my walls, and I'm cleaning these off with the magic erasers that I got from Dollar Tree. They work really well, like I said before. And I had the dish tray sitting by this wall initially, and it kind of left some marks on the white wall. So this worked literally, it's magical. It worked so good to get off the stains that caused when it was sitting there. And then I had some other stains on the other side of the wall that my daughter got on the wall from like making slime or something. So it really definitely cleaned the walls. I mean, they were crystal white when I was done. So definitely have this in your cleaning supplies to pull it out whenever you need them. They are lifesavers. Now I've moved to cleaning and disinfecting the sink. This is completely important, and I do this regularly several times a day. Like if I'm using the sink or I'm doing something in the sink, I normally clean it and then disinfect it to make sure any germs or anything is gone. Because I mean, honestly, we use our sinks for a lot. I wash hair in the sink. You know, you cook food, wash dishes, you wash off vegetables and all kind of stuff. So I like to make sure that this is a clean space whenever I go to use it and whenever I'm done with it. So I just deep clean this. So yeah, just continue to watch. And finally, I'm moving on to all of my drawers and underneath cabinets, and just cleaning those really, really well. This was a process because I have so many in my house. But I definitely got this done, and my kitchen had like a really fresh smell. I used the disinfectant that I saw you, and what I used in a purple bottle is Pine Sol. I love the way that it smells. It leaves a really, really nice smell. I get the lemon scent. It leaves a really, really nice smell that lingers as well. So, and it's just like a clean, fresh smell. So definitely try that out. If you're looking for like an all-purpose cleaner that really cleans really well and leaves behind a really good scent, you can definitely try that out. I know a lot of people use Fabuloso, but I kind of also like Pine Sol. So that's kind of my go-to. Now, make sure you stay tuned for the next video. We will be decluttering and deep cleaning and organizing my refrigerator. So make sure you stay tuned for that. If you haven't seen the prior video, make sure you go back and watch that, where I decluttered this whole entire kitchen that you're seeing me extreme deep clean. So make sure you stay tuned for my organization series. Love you guys. Until next time. Bye.